Hi, boys and girls. Today I'm going to read you a counting story, a math story called Monster Needs One More. And so for today and this week with math, we're just talking a little bit about adding one more to things. So if I have 0 and I add one more, that makes 1. Good. If I have 1 and I add one more, that makes good, 2. So let's see what this story is going to be about. Monster needs one more. Wonder what Monster needs one more about. I'm going to move it over here so we can see me better. Okay, this story is by Natalie Marshall. This hungry monster says, I have one cookie. I need one more. One cookie. And one more cookie makes good, 2 cookies. Let's see if we're right. Another cookie to chew. 1, 2. We were right. I had 1 cookie. Now I have 2. This not so happy monster says, I have 2 balloons and I need 1 more. So he has 2. He wants 1 more. 2 and 1 more make 3. Let's see if we're right. Another balloon just for me. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. I had 2. Now I have 1 more. Now it makes 3. This grumpy monster says, I have 3 apples. I must have 1 more. 3 apples and 1 more apple make 4 apples. Let's see if he's right. Let's see if we're right. Another apple? Here's 1 more. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. I had 3 and I had 1 more. Now I have 4 apples. This sad monster says, I have 4 beach balls. I need 1 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. He has 4. He wants 1 more. What do you think that makes? Another beach ball like the water. Can you dive? Let's see how many he has. He had 4. We added 1 more. Let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 balls and 1 more make 5. Super job. I had 4, now I have 5. This grabby monster says, I have 5 strawberries, I need 1 more. He has 5, he needs 1 more. That makes, if you said 6, I think you're right. Another berry, good for licks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I had 5, now I have 1 more. That makes 6. This grouchy monster says, I have 6 crackers, but I need 1 more. So he has 6. He wants 1 more. I'll turn my hands this way. 5 and 2 more make 7. Let's see if we're right. So many crackers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We were right. 5 and 1 more makes 6, and 1 more makes 7. I had 6, but now I have 7. This candy lover monster says, I have 7 jelly beans. I need 1 more. He has 7 jelly beans, but he wants 1 more. 5 and 3 make. Take your time and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1 more makes. Let's count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lots of jelly beans. Isn't that great? I had 7. Now I have 1 more. That makes 8. And remember, you can count them on your fingers too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This sleepy monster says, 8 teddy bears. I need 1 more. I have 8 teddy bears, but I want more. So he had 8. This one's always tricky. He adds 1 more. It's hard to put your fingers up. I'm going to go like this. He had 8. Now he added one more. That's a big number. Now let's see how many he has altogether. Let me move myself up here. Gold bear. That's so fine. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and one more makes 9. I had 8. Now I have 9. This sleepy monster says, I have 9 goodnight kisses, but I want one more. So he had 9. He wants one more. 2 whole hands make 10. Now let's count and see if we're right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and one more makes 10. More, mama, kiss me again. I had 9, now I have 10. I'm cozy, I'm snug, now all I need is one big hug. Oh, that's sweet. Maybe you can go and hug your mom or your dad or your family members. Okay, I just need one more. And remember, boys and girls, when you're adding one more, that just means you're making your number bigger. So if I have 0 of something and I add one more, that means I have 1. If I add one more to this number, that makes it bigger, and now I have 2. If I have this many, 2, and I add one more, that makes my number bigger, and now I have 3. Good. And if I add one more to 3, it makes my number bigger, and I have 4. And if I add one more to this, that makes my number even bigger, and I have 5. Super job, boys and girls. Keep practicing adding one more. You can add to anything that you have in your house. Tap and count and add one more. You can also compare the amounts, which group is bigger or smaller. Do all the things that we've been practicing, and you can write your numbers. So count out a number of items that you have, and you can write the number, okay?